Great. Today the plan is to work on characterization. And to do that, if you go to Daily Activities for Buddha Boy and you click on Listening for Characterization, a document will open up that will explain to you what we're doing. So you're going to choose which article, Aunt Tiny or The Hobbit. You're going to listen to a partner reading. So you'll be with a partner and one of you reads, the other listens. Then you're going to switch readers. You're going to reread it. And this time you're going to use highlighters and you're going to mark the words that describe The Hobbit or Aunt Tiny. If you're doing this document on an iPad, you can use the markers, the pen features, and the highlighting tools. If you're doing it on a PC, you can still use the highlighter tools and you can mark it, or you can put it in the Paint program and work with it that way. After you highlight, you're going to reread one more time and highlight what you missed. Again, you're looking for words that describe The Hobbit, so descriptive words or Aunt Tiny. After you highlight what you missed, then you're going to think of different categories to put in the describing words. So you will describe different types of character traits. Don't worry about this step. We'll all work on this together. We'll also work on sharing our categories and posting them on the poster that students hung in the room yesterday. So the articles you got to choose from, here's choice 1 for Aunt Tiny, here's choice 2 for The Hobbit. If you forget what I said for directions, you can either watch this video again or you can click and open up Listening for Characterization. After you open up and choose the document that you and your partner are going to read, and you highlight and mark the text, then you will hand it in Hand in Listening for Characterization. And this is where you get to save the file and then you get to upload it into the document. Only one of you has to do this with you or your partner. One person hands it in the hand in upload. One person saves it in their user file, but make sure both names of the partners are in the document. After you're finished with that, you get to go in and look at the characterization fun lesson. Here's a YouTube video that you can watch. While you're watching it, you can write a list of descriptive words while you're watching the video. You can divide your screen and have the YouTube video up and this Word document up at the same time. And then, based on those descriptive words, you're going to come up with a character trait. For example, if I'm watching a character and this character is very angry, a character trait that I could come up with would be that this character is emotional. And I could type emotional into that space on the side. And I can do that by inserting a text box if I'm not able to type in the space, and it looks like I'm having some technical difficulty. So you can see angry, a character trait could be tied to emotional. And after you're finished with this, and you can talk about it with a partner and work through if you need some help, then you can save that into your user file, and then you will go back to Moodle and you will upload that into your characterization fun lesson. So this you can do by yourself, even if you're talking about it with a partner. So you're going to all upload your own documents, but in this one, only one of the two partners uploads it with both of your names. When you open up your choice 1 or your choice 2 documents, choice 1 opens up very nicely. Choice 2, however, when it opens up, you will get a screen that looks like this, and you think that there's nothing there. But if you move to the bottom of the screen, it will give you an option to direct link to this file, and then that file will open up after it runs its security scan. Great job, everybody.